Hey, Hello. Hey, hi. Okay, I'm Arman and this is Matt. He's my best friend.
Just keep going.
Anyways, yeah. Today, actually, we're gonna make you a really nice smoothie. Smoothie. Luckily, makes you a great recipe.
Say it again.
Luckily, made you a great recipe.
I do. This is one of my favorite smoothie recipes.
So what are we putting in our smoothie?
So today we're going to use some of the raspberry and blueberry. We're going to add a little bit of honey to give it a little sweet kick.
Honey.
Yeah.
You know which animal loves honey the most? Orange bears love honey.
Oh yeah. So we're going to put a little bit of honey in there to make it sweeter. I think we will use some of this banana here. We're also going to put a little bit of yogurt into our smoothie and finish it off with just a little bit of whole milk.
Don't forget to wash them.
It's very important that you wash the orange, wash your kiwis. It's really important.
And afterwards, you peel the fruits, right? So I'm peeling the banana.
Peel that.
Peel the banana.
You know
That way,
that-
what do we do?
That was my nickname in high school, Peel.
Really?
No.
Or you take all of it. Then you chop the bananas.
And you can taste test the bananas.
It's always good to taste them.
No, that's good. It's fresh. Very ripe.
And let's put our fruits into what is this machine called?
Yeah, into the blender. This is a
Blender. Let's put it in the blender.
this is a personal blender. This blender is perfect for making things like smoothies and milkshakes.
Maybe we should put some frozen fruit first.
All right, we
You know?
can start with the frozen fruit.
What shall we put? Let's put some.
Start with the raspberry.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna, and you know, there's not really a right or wrong way to do this. We just like to kind of eyeball it, and you kind of just put in however much you think would be appropriate for you. So if you like raspberries, add some more raspberries. If you prefer blueberries, you can go heavy on the blueberries if you want. So we're just adding a couple blueberries and some raspberries here. Also, because these are frozen, this will make your smoothie nice and cold.
This is a good idea. You can only find them during summertime. But if you get the frozen ones, you can get them anytime you want. And you know what Jamie Oliver says?
We're going to add some frozen fruit to this and it's going to be delicious. Smells amazing. And as soon as we whiz that up, it's going to go thick, cold, refreshing and delicious.
Let's put some banana in
Let's
here.
put some bananas in there.
The banana will make it nice and creamy. That's probably pretty good.
Okay, enough of bananas then.
And maybe now we should put some yogurt in there. I think I would do maybe two
Half
big,
spoon?
yeah, maybe a big spoon of yogurt, maybe more than that. Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Is this enough?
Probably. If you really like yogurt, you can add a little more.
Okay.
And we'll finish it off with some milk.
Milk. I love milk.
Here's a spoon for your honey.
Thank you.
Whoa, that's very thick honey.
I love honey.
This honey will give it the nice sweet kick that you kind of want. So I'm going to put the cap on the cup here, seal it up. Everything's in there now. I'm going to put this on the blender. And I will push the button here and we'll blend it up. Ready? Are you ready, Armand?
Come on, I'm ready.
All right, let's do it. Look at that beautiful purple color. It's as easy as that.
Voila!
We are ready to taste test our smoothie. So here, I'll give you. Yeah, look at that color. It looks so good.
It
So
looks so delicious.
healthy. All those berries inside. Well, it smells so good. It does. I smell the banana. The banana it's got the strongest smell there. Ooh,
It's
creamy,
so delicious.
rich.
I love it.
With a hint of yogurt and that sweet honey. It's really delicious.
And it is so healthy. And also it's so easy to make. So
It's very
all
refreshing.
the parents at home, all the kids at home. Kids, make sure that you're doing this with your parents at home. And parents, make sure that you're having a good time with your kids at home. Okay? It's so nice, so delicious, so easy to make. It's a wonderful activity. It's a wonderful kitchen activity to do at home.
I can't stop drinking this. We should have made more.
So, until next time.
Thanks for joining us. See you around.
See you. Bye.